بالا برم رو سطح خونه‌شون. وایسا خودم میام. بذار
ما
سعید بیایم. غلطم
شیر قبل مرد رو زندت بیاد مادر بیا بیرون مادر جان.
دمپینگ خدا. هلو.
بابا شیر به ناموست رفت باز که آخه
اون یه آخرشون تو این ساختمون.
بیا این
شیر به قبل مادر قارت
Hello, welcome to my channel. This video is about converging kits that are really meta and not balanced and have bugs, and you can customize secret weapon with them. Don't forget to like and comment. Let's go see it together. The most powerful one, as I mentioned in the previous video, is a jackback saw kit for the Holger 556, which releases 2 bullets from your weapon for every shot. You can choose many loadouts for it, but this close range fire loadout is anti-movement. The next kit belongs to AMR9, which makes the damage of this weapon almost twice, and you can use it as the ADS or hipfire for sniper support and close range. The Holger 26 kit increases the weapon's damage and fire rate, and you can use it as an AR or mid-range weapon, or use it with its default magazine for long range. The last kit belongs to the shotgun, which turns into an AR weapon, and it seems that everything in this gun is fast, but it has 2 problems. The first is the magazine of 20 rounds, and the second is the limitation of 60 rounds in the backpack because it uses shotgun's round.
Enemy taking tracking your location. Throwing smoke! Moving. Yeah, just me. Marked one! Throwing smoke!
Come here. Hold on.
Marked one! Okay, keep them secure. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
بچه راجع به گانه توضیح میدین. من اولا نتش کردم بازی
بله،
نکردم
بله.
اصلا. اوکی
راه کن اینمی داریم.
بعدی که دارم میام اوه هزار نه ماشین دیدم میام
Yeah, one down, one down, one down.
Yeah,
Gonna
some
come.
kind of.
Sir, kind of rare and something. The most Call of Duty.
Shut up. I have no idea.
Cover me, cover me, cover me.
I think we failed.
Your teammates fight for a chance to redeploy.
How do you think this randomous death first? Oh my
You scared me.
god, time.
Number 2 is a very good player, pro player.
Okay. There's people on.
Gas
There's
is
no
closing
heal.
in.
There's people on you.
Your teammate is
Below you.
redeploying. Stand by.
Number 2, number 4. Supreme. Where are you from, brother?
Where are you? I genuinely
From Iran, brother.
Can you come here? There's one more.
Enemy in the area.
Let her revive.
Era, wait, there's one more guy, man. How do you remember?
Hold it. Hold that.
There is one more guy there. Era, one shot, please.
Decoy out.
You can make some. Wow. He also died.
Planting Claymore. Sentry marked.
Saat kocam bizim ben.
Enemy dropping.
Kocam çalası ben. Ali cover from. I'm attached to him.
Stun grenade out.
I'm Juliet.
You eliminated the most wanted.